Hello friends, I am Shravana and welcome to my channel Sparkling Future. Today we will see how to find the number of occurrences of a word in a file. So before starting with today's topic, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel and please like, share, comment and hit the bell icon for the notifications. So in this video, we will see how to count the number of occurrences of a word. Like you might have seen the basic word count program which gives the count of the number of words in a file. Like if in a file. So in this example, like today's video, we will see how to check if a particular word, how many times it has repeated in a file. So this scenario usually will be useful to find the number of hashtags in a tweet. Like if you are searching for a particular hashtag, like how many times it has been repeated, and also if you are checking for a brand, if this brand is used at all or not, or what is the what is the customers like how they are in which brand they are interested, and also are they interested in this particular brand, or is there any FB posts are done based on this particular word. So if you wanted to search, then usually the logs will be there, right? That the logs will be like huge logs will be there. So in that huge logs you might have to find out how many times it is repeated. Based on that analysis you can you in the sense the owner of that brand will look for some other promotions of their brands. So for such analysis this kind of codes are useful, and let's look into some sample code to check on this. Okay, so I have created a Scala object, defined the main method, set this property for resolving that winutils.exe exception, and created the sparkconf and sparkcontext, because here I have created RDD, so I just used the sparkconf and sparkcontext creation. And I have a file, okay, accesslog.txt. So these are the like this you will have the logs from the web server, or even for tweets usually you can download them to the Excel or CSV, but usually it will some non-readable format only they will be there. So I'm reading that file in this RDD sc.text file, sparkcontext.text file, and I'm passing this accesslog.txt, and I'm just creating another RDD saying that rdd.flatmap, because first before even counting the words we have to split it using the space, then only we can count the words, how many count. Even if you manually count also, you will count based on the spaces, right? So similarly here also we have to split it based on the space, and then I'm filtering. Here I am searching for this hash sans. Just for sample I'm taking this. You can just mention like anything. If you have some tweets, right, sample tweets, in the tweets file you can play around, and you can search how many times one particular tag has been repeated. So here let's see how many times hash san is getting repeated. Okay, and finally I am saying that count by value. So here uh, it will search for this, it will filter out all these things, and anyway we are splitting, so it will have the array of words, and in that it will count by value. Will it's a action, and it will count how many times it has been like repeated, and finally this RDD I'm printing. Okay, so now let's see the output. You will understand how it will display. It will display like how many times this SAN is repeated, hash SAN, and it will tell the number in the value, key value pair kind of. See, like this it will repeat. So hash san is repeated 68. And sometimes what will happen is in Facebook canal, some people, let's say hashtag work from home, I'm simply saying, okay, some people will write like this, or some people will write uh, or something else, okay, some spelling all caps. So there might be some like the case will be different, but at the end of the day the meaning of all these things are same. So how to handle that kind of scenarios? So we are taking this x here, right, in the filter. So just say that to uppercase. So here we are converting all whatever values are there here to uppercase, like all this will become uppercase, and then we are saying that equal to san, because here we are everything we are converting into uppercase. We have to search with this. So when you do this way, it will show all the available. You will understand by seeing the output how easily it will display the all the related, like whether it can be this camel case or caps or lower case, whatever it is, it will display all those words along with the number of counts. So now let me change this as well, okay, because in the file we don't have it. So somewhere I'll just mention as caps, and here I'll just mention here, and only see. So now I have modified the file, and here I am saying that convert everything to uppercase, and whenever it is equal to san, count it. So now let's see the output. So friends, you can see here, right, it has captured all the cases, camel case, lower case, uppercase and everything, and it has given how many times it has been repeated. Okay, so this way we can easily count the number of hashtags from any of the tweets or Facebook posts or any of the things. Usually these are mainly used for the analysis purpose, for promoting their brands or counting number of maybe votes or something like that. Okay, hope this is clear to you friends, and hope this is useful. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting learnings. Thank you.